you feeling?
Build yourself?
They come in a box. Let's see what's in there. Look at that!
Look at that, we did that.
We made that with these hands. Time to take it to Lancelin. Darren, what happened?
You hit a roommate.
So we didn't quite make it here during the day. We got these ready for tomorrow. Hello.
Hey guys, a little sit rep for you. We seem to have got ourselves into a spot of bother trying to go around a corner on the beach that maybe we shouldn't have, but and Jake's troublesome electrics have struck again, so we can't get his winch working.
We did an override, so it's working now.
It's going to be safe. That is just going one way.
Oh yeah.
So we've had to unhitch the FJ from the trailer just so we can get an anchor point at the front to winch off of, but we'll be out of here in just a jiffy. This stuff is incredibly soft. We'll get out, but yeah, it's just sinking. More power option, the more power option. And he's out. Well done, sir, with the more power option.
Yeah, so it was a combination, right? It was, we sort of dug a track, compacted track, using the winch and sort of slowly rolling the wheels, so it's kind of compacted a nice trail that I could then reverse onto and then, yeah, get more traction, so it was good.
That's fun.
So it turns out today is the winch day. Yeah, this is a really soft track, and the entries and exits to the beach are just super soft. And if you have a trailer behind you, the second you lose momentum, you just sink. But luckily we've got winches. Thumbs up to Carbon, because you guys are saving our butts right here, right now. But yeah, they're doing a good job. We pulled out the FJ, we pulled out the Y62. Now we're pulling out the FJ again. We're probably gonna pull out the Y62 again soon. So guys, thumbs up. But hey, this is part of the fun. You go out, have fun, get stuck, get unstuck, and look, the views. Just worth it. Look at that. Oh yeah.
And that's not happening.
There, you're close. Yeah, you need more run up straight, so just try to put the trailer back more onto the track. Alright. This used to be an easy to go up and down hill, and then people just completely shred it to pieces. So yeah, now when you're towing a trailer, it's not as easy as it used to be, but we're just gonna give it some beans and we'll see how we go. That's how it's done. If all fails, more power. Yeah, look at that. This is from people not lowering their tire pressures and then getting stuck. and not having proper recovery gear, so digging giant holes instead of reversing and dropping their tire pressures, and then the next person, good luck, especially towing a trailer. But anyways, we got through. Rewarding view. Look at that. Well worth it.
Alright.
Well guys, sort of wanted to talk about things to do or not to do when you're going on a beach, but just read this. Yep, you can just pause that and read it, but ain't that true? Suspension works.
You like me to stand here?
That's good.
Okay, well now what do I do?
Alright guys, so we made it. It was a bit of an adventure to get here, wasn't it?
It certainly was. We got stuck about 3 times.
Yeah, a little bit. That's what the winches are for.
Yeah, winches work.
Ah, yeah. But look what we have here. What are we gonna do with it?
We're gonna go flying through the sand dunes, hopefully. Well, not literally fly. Well, maybe.
That depends. You might.
I might.
Yeah, so we'll start it up. We'll give it a go. See what I like off-road. Yeah, this is pretty compact sand, so it should be easy to drive on here. Plenty of space to have some fun.
We've got to watch out for this section here because apparently there's landmines.
Ah.
So that would be pretty spectacular.
Oh yeah. Well, there's a sign that says mining area.
No, that sign there says stay out landmines.
Ah. Okay, so if you guys come to Lancelin and you drive your buggies around, just don't drive into the landmines.
Yeah, and if you see us blow up, well, you'll know what happened.
Yeah, Off-Road TV tip number 5.
Keep away from landmines.
Yep. All right, we'll start it up and see how we go. On. Squirt, 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 squirt. Good, first try. Woo!
Nice.
I'm the man. All right.
I'm gonna get shoes.
Need to get some helmets. Not safe. Guys, safety first. Don't forget your seatbelts. Alright. Yep. Now, just to clarify, these do come with a roll cage. So if you guys are driving these around, recommend to have that. It's really easy to roll them. We're gonna keep it nice and easy, so we're not gonna roll them, but if you get one of these, get the safety roll cage. All right.
Holy moly.
That is fun. Oh my god, it is fun.
It's a ride.
Look, the suspension is it's not Can-Am, is it?
It's yeah, it's pretty
But it also doesn't cost $60,000.
no, it's a bumpy ride. But
For 1,200 bucks or whatever these were.
yeah.
All right. That was a
That was a workout.
whew.
Yeah.
You guys want to go to gym and you think gym is boring? This is cheaper than an annual subscription to a gym,
Yeah.
and you'll love it.
Yeah.
No, look, honestly, obviously, it's not a huge Dune buggy. It's not a $60,000 Can-Am. It's a sort of, I wouldn't say toy though.
Yeah, I think I'd like to try it on like gravel and grass because I think it would be really suited to that.
For the money, if you guys have a farm, you got some space, like you said, grass, gravel, helmet cards, hit them up, $1,500.
Still
unlimited fun.
Still a lot of fun.
Oh, hell yeah. Look, I hope you guys like this.
Yep.
If there is something else that you want us to try on your behalf, let us know. If you have any questions about these, let us know. And there is 10% discount code that we managed to get for you guys to get these. You're not gonna regret it. This is ultimate fun.
Good fun. Really good fun.
All right, guys. Catch you on the next one.
See ya.